Hello guys, do you want to deploy your Laravel application on AWS EC2 instance or on Ubuntu server using Nginx web server? Here are steps to follow. First of all, you need to have a GitLab or a GitHub account. Also, you need an AWS account and Ubuntu server, but still you have to have right access to this server. First step, if you are using AWS, first step is to create an EC2 instance. Please check my previous vids to know how you can quickly do this step. Let's move on second step. Install Nginx web server. Let's do it quickly. apt get goods. Now install Nginx. So let's do it. Yes. After that, you have to install all PHP pages. So copy it. Sorry. Copy this line. Clear. Cast. Launch. Current version of PHP we are installing is PHP 8.3. And finally, install Composer. Step is to install Git. Here, check the version of Nginx and PHP. Goods PHP 8.3. Step 3. Run the app project on server from Git. In your server SSH terminal, type the following commands. Go to this folder var. So cd var www html ls all goods. In this folder, we will clone our project. So git clone. Copy the link of your projects. So I will copy mine and paste it here. Yes. We have an error. Please make sure you have the correct access rights and the repository exists. It is normal. You have to know who is trying to clone the data from it. So we have to create an SSH key in our server here and put the public key in GitHub or GitLab. So to have access rights to Git repository, you need to add SSH keys in server and in your GitLab or GitHub accounts also. So in your SSH server terminal, generate people by running following commands. So let's copy it, but we have to change your email. Write your email linked to your GitHub or GitLab account. Yeah, just enter. First here is the password to use the key. Good. Next step is to locate the public key and then on it. In the SSH folder, we have authorized keys and new key we have just generated here. So let's open the public key ID rsa.pub. Good. Copy it And now go to your GitHub or GitLab account. So let's do it here quickly. Click here, edit profile, SSH keys, and then add new key. So copy it, paste it, and just change your name here. EC2 stock up to expiration date never expire. Add keys. Now we can clone our projects. So let's var www.html. Okay, and git clone, copy here. That's first. Good. Now we have successfully completed step 3. And as you can see, the project is now available in our cloud server. cd stock app ls all. Yeah, it's good. Now move on to step 4. Set up required permission for our project. Here we need to set a proper ownership and permission for the project directory. It's mandatory because without that, we cannot execute our projects in the cloud. So let's execute this command. It here, pass it. And permission, copy it, pass it. Good. To set ownership to our stock app folder. Ownership here is for user www.data in the group www.data. Why? www.data represents the user and group used by Nginx execute files of your project. So if this Nginx user does not have the right permissions, the web application will not be executed. In the next step, we will see how we can check the right user and the right group you have to use to give permission to your project folder. Step 5. Configure Nginx for Laravel. We need to create a new Nginx config file. So let's go here. As it. Good. Clear. Yeah, nothing in the file. Good. We need to create a new file. You can call it as you want. So we can just put stock app, project app, something you want. So, okay. Copy the content of the config file here and paste it. So let's copy it and paste it. Here is the Nginx configuration server. The first line here is listing 80. That means that the Nginx web server is listing to port 80 here. For server name, you have to put your IP address, the IP address of your cloud server. Here is root where our project files are located. So var www.html stock app and public folder. After that, index represents here the file to be executed to launch our project. For the case of Laravel, it is index.php.